Hello everyone, welcome to first session of social science. Before going to start our class, let me introduce myself. I am your teacher Kavita here. I am going to handle social science class 8th, 9th and 10th. So my dear students, as you know, due to COVID, we are going to start video classes for 10th standard. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all for class 10. So in 10th standard social, it means from this academic year, what should read from social part and how many lessons are there in social subject. So guys, there are 39 lessons from social science part class 10. 39 lessons can be classified into 6 parts. How many parts? 6 parts. So as we know, history, political science, geography, sociology, economics and business studies. So those 39 lessons, as I told now, can be classified into 6 parts. So 10 lessons are from history, 5 lessons are from political science, 4 units are from sociology, 12 lessons are from geography, 4 lessons are from economics and the last 4 lessons are from business studies. So among these part, every lessons are very interesting. Each and every lessons are very interesting. Most of the part in interesting way is there. So that I have taken geography part because our learning process we have to go from easy to difficult. So that in first session I am going to start geography lessons. So as I told now, there are 12 lessons are in geography part. So my dear students, as you studied world geography in 8th standard, Karnataka geography you people studied in 9th standard. In the same way, in 10th standard we are going to learn about Indian geography. In the sense, entire Indian geographical condition we are going to learn in 10th standard. So everybody we know in 8th you studied entire solar system, our earth, our planet, lithosphere, hemisphere, biosphere. In Karnataka you studied entire Karnataka state geography, isn't it? Yes. In the same way here, the most easiest concept among the social parts, that is geography. So in today's session we are going to learn geography lessons. So first chapter, first unit is there. We have to learn about India, the Indian position and extension. Second lesson, the physiographic regions of India. And the third lesson, Indian climate, Indian soil, forest resources, water river system, land resource system, minerals. Next one here, transport and communication, major industries, natural disaster and as well as population. These are all the concepts we are going to learn in geography part. So my dear students, let's start our session. The first lesson from geography part and is very important and very interesting and very short and sweetest lesson among the geography lesson. So the first lesson from geography, that is unit 1, position and extent. So in today's session we are going to learn on these main topics. Those are location, extent, frontiers, it means border, Gadinadu anta kariತೀವಿ, and the neighboring countries and as well as administrative divisions. So let's start our class. The first topic here, location. Then where India is located among the 7 continents here. So everybody we know here, India situated here, Asian continent, isn't it? Yes. So India, geographically India is located here, both the part, some part the northern hemisphere and some part southern hemisphere. So that India is situated here, the Asian continent here. And basically India is called the peninsula country. So why India is called peninsula country here? So because of here, just observe that picture which is visible on the video here. The South India is completely covered with the 3 water bodies. Just observe that India map here which I am saying here. So India is called peninsula country. Why India is called peninsula country here? Because of here, South India is completely covered with the 3 water bodies. That is here, Bay of Bengal in the eastern part, Arabian Sea in the western side, and Indian Ocean in the south part, and one part of a land has been situated in the north part, so that India is called peninsula country. So as I told now here, India is situated both the hemisphere here. Some part is situated in the northern hemisphere and the remaining part situated in southern hemisphere. And India is situated which continent here? It belongs to Asian continent. And next here, 2 most important tips have been situated north part and as well as southern part. Just observe that here, India map there which is visible on the video. Here, southern tip of India, that is Indira Point, which is in a green color. So the southern tip of India, that is here Indira Point, it is situated in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So which is the southern tip of India is here, that is Indira Point. Where it is situated? Andaman Nicobar Island. Just observe that picture which is visible on the video. Okay na? So the southern tip of India, that is Indira Point, it is situated in the south part of India, that is Andaman Nicobar Island. And next here, the northern tip of India, that is we are calling here Indira Col. So Indira Col, that is also it is in a green color. So the northern tip of India, that is Indira Col, it is situated in the Jammu and Kashmir state. So southern tip of India, that is Indira Point, northern tip of India, that is Indira Col. So these 2 most important points have been situated, one part North India, one part South India. So which is the southern part of India, tip of India, that is Indira Point. Where it is situated, that is Andaman Nicobar Island. And northern tip of India, that is Indira Col. Where it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. And the next here, and 1 longitude and 1 latitude passes on the India. That especially here 23 and half. So 23 and half, the topic of Cancer passes on the middle of the country. So observe that again, observe that India map which is on visible on the video. So the 23 and half, the topic of Cancer passes on the middle of the country. So which is in a dots. India map alli yaudu dots alli locate madidinella adanna observe ಮಾಡಿ, that 23 and half, the topic of Cancer passes on the middle of the country. So which latitude passes on the middle of the country? That is 23 and half, the topic of Cancer. So it passes on the middle of the country. So which is in the dots, dot like. Just observe that India map which is visible on the video. So 23 and half, the topic of Cancer, the passes on the middle of the country, and one more here, 82 and half east longitude. So 82 and half east longitude, it passes on the middle of the country, that is which is in a pink color like this. So it passes on the country. 82 and half east longitude, it's completely based on IST. It means Indian Standard Time. Our Indian Standard Time is completely based on the 82 and half east longitude. The 23.5 the tropic of Cancer passes on the middle of the country, and the 82.5 east longitude passes on the country. So 82.5 east longitude is completely based on the IST, it means Indian Standard Time. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮಾನ ಏನು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ನ ಸೆಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ 82.5 ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ extent. So basically in entire the world 192 or 200 plus countries are there here. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. So India's position here 7th largest country in the world. So which is the largest country in the world? That is none other than here. The first one here Russia, and the second one Canada, third China, and the USA, Brazil and Australia. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. And the next here, the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. So the total area of India is, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಭೂ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 32,87,263 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್ 2,933 kilometer. From west to east 2,933 kilometer. From north to south here 3,214 kilometer. This is here from west to east. The total kilometer of India is here 2,933 kilometer, and as well as here from north to south here 3,214 kilometer. Again once I am repeating here, the India is the 7th largest country in the world. So it is the first country here, that is Russia, second Canada, third China, the USA, Brazil, Australia, next one here, that is India. The total area of India is, it has total area 32,87,263 square kilometer. And from west to east total kilometer here 2,933 kilometer. From north to south the total kilometer here 3,214 kilometer. So this is about here the extent. And the next to move on here, the frontiers, it means ಗಡಿನಾಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಗಡಿನಾಡು. So basically India has both the part, that water border is also there and as well as natural, the land border is also there. India has both the part, land is also there and as well as water border is also there. The total area, so the land border of the country is 15,200 kilometer. How much kilometer is there? The total land. So this is the total area. This is, we are calling here the total area, and the land of the country. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಗಡಿನಾಡು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15,200 kilometer. So except some part of the natural here, ಅಂದರೆ ಗಡಿನಾಡು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ 15,200 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಾರ್ತನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ನೋ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನದು ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 15,200 kilometer. And come to the next concept here, the total water border of the country here, that is 6,100 kilometer. 6,100 kilometer, the total water border, except islands. except islands here, the total water border of the country is here 6100 kilometer, except which is here Andaman and Nicobar, including Andaman and Nicobar islands and as well as Lakshadweep. So except islands here, the total water border of the country is 6100 kilometer, including except islands, including islands, Andaman Nicobar island and as well as Lakshadweep, including islands here 7516.5 kilometer, 6100 kilometer, that is except islands, including islands the total kilometer is 7516.5 kilometer. So this is about, we are calling here, that is frontiers, it means border. And the next move on, another concept here, that is neighboring countries. So India has important and neighboring countries are there. So India has 7 neighboring countries here. So India has shared its border with the 7 neighboring countries. Then which are the neighboring countries of India? Once that observe that picture which is I am saying here, which is visible on the video. So as I told now here, India has 7 neighboring countries. Then which are the 7 neighboring countries? Those are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So these are all the countries India has shared its border with these 7 countries. So here Pakistan and Afghanistan, these 2 countries have been situated northwestern part. So Pakistan and Afghanistan. And next here China, Nepal and the Bhutan. These 3 countries have been situated in the north part, and as well as here Bangladesh and Myanmar. These 2 countries have been situated in the eastern part of, in the eastern side. And once observe that here, that last one of the important smallest island is there in that southern part, that is Sri Lanka. But India did not share its border with Sri Lanka, because Sri Lanka basically it is island completely surrounding with the water side. So basically here Sri Lanka is situated southeastern side, and it is separate from the mainland of the Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ 2 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಗಲ್ಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನ್ನಾರ್. ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ವಿತ್ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ because Sri Lanka is separated from the mainland of the Gulf of Mannar and the Pak state. So this is about here the neighboring countries. And the last but not the least from this lesson, that is administrative divisions. So administrative divisions, so basically India is called the democratic country, the republican country. So we got freedom in the year 1947 August 15th. At present in India, so how many states are there? At present in India, the entire India has divided into 28 states. How many states? 28 states. So 28 states, 9 union territories, which is including the capital city of India, that is New Delhi. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ 28. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವರ್ ದೇ? 29. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಮ್ಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್. Now at present here the Kashmir and the Ladakh, these two are considered as the union territory of India. So that here at present here 28 states are there and the 9 union territories are there, which is including the capital city of India, that is New Delhi. And recently few years back one of the new state is added to India, that is Telangana. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉದಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, all the states are not the same. So that here among them Rajasthan is the largest state of India and whereas Goa is the smallest state of India. ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಗೋವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆರೆಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳ ನಡುವೆ 3 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ನೆರೆಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಬೌಂಡರಿನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಬೌಂಡರಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಅದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ರಾಟ್ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಲೈನ್. ದ ರಾಟ್ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಆ ರಾಟ್ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವ ದೇಶದ ನಡುವೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಡುರಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ್. And next one here the McMahon line, it is between India and China. So just observe that image which is visible on the video here. 3 important boundaries have been in between 2 countries. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನಾವು ಬೌಂಡರಿನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು 2 ದೇಶಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಹಾಕಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗೆರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ದ ರಾಟ್ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೊರಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಮೋಹನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೀನಾ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ have a nice day.